It initiates the idea of sharing content and of sharing access to education and sharing access to research content and so on. In our country, so to say, the open topic plays a more and more important role. I say the open topic meaning open access to publications, open research data and open educational resources. Three strategies have been brought up recently. It's the Open Innovation Strategy, the strategy for the digital roadmap. The open access and open educational resources topics are in it. And then we brought up the 16 steps to 100% open access on publications by 2025. And all these strategies had been adopted by the government of Austria. We have now fixed the strategy area and the policy papers, and now we have to think about bringing it down to earth to the universities and to the universities of applied sciences and to the pedagogical high schools. And for doing this, we brought up a new format, we can say. It's a competition between universities, and they should cooperate. And we have three strong projects dealing with open access on publications. Some steps towards open access. We have one project dealing with open educational resources, which is called Open Education, and the third project is dealing with open research data. We are all convinced of the topic, all people who are gathering here. And now we have to come to concrete actions, to common concrete actions to promote the topic. We should ask the Commission to make another effort to make a European copyright law which allows all these things, and bringing together all efforts of member states, because there are many efforts in Austria and in other countries. They have databases and so on, and we have to bring these things together. And then we have to think about common standards of quality assurance, so to say, these badges. And then I have one more topic. The European Union has made up a lot of initiatives like Directory of Open Access Journals and things like that. Then they are only financed as a project. And therefore we should think about to finance sustainably all these projects by making common efforts between the member states and the European Commissions. We have, I think, in Europe a lot of money to do so, but we have to think about how we can manage it.